Hey there adventure seekers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of Hitch Cargo Carriers to unveil the 7 best options for all your hauling needs. Whether you are gearing up for a road trip or just need extra storage space, finding the right carrier is key. Join us as we explore the top picks for 2024, helping you find the perfect Hitch Cargo Carrier for your next journey. Let's dive in. At the first position of our list, we have MeeFar Folding Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier Basket, your ultimate solution for hauling gear on your next adventure. Crafted with durable steel construction, this cargo carrier offers exceptional durability and strength. Its folding design allows for convenient storage when not in use, making it perfect for space-conscious users. The MeeFar Cargo Carrier Basket features a spacious design, providing ample room for various items from camping gear to luggage. Its mesh base ensures easy cleaning and prevents debris buildup, while the raised side rails keep your cargo secure during transit. Plus, the hitch pin and clip ensure quick and secure attachment to your vehicle's hitch receiver. Despite its premium features, the MeeFar Folding Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier Basket is competitively priced, offering excellent value for adventurers on a budget. Whether you are embarking on a cross-country road trip or a weekend camping excursion, this cargo carrier provides the extra storage space you need to bring along all your essentials. At number 2, we have MaxxHaul 70108 Aluminum Cargo Carrier with high side rails, the ultimate solution for expanding your vehicle's cargo capacity with ease. Crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum, this cargo carrier offers exceptional strength and reliability while remaining corrosion-resistant for long-lasting performance. The MaxxHaul 70108 cargo carrier features high side rails to keep your cargo secure during transit, preventing peace of mind for your journey. Its spacious platform accommodates various items from luggage to camping gear, making it ideal for road trips, camping adventures, and more. Designed for convenience, this cargo carrier is easy to assemble and install, fitting most 2-inch hitch receivers with included hitch pen. Plus, its folding design allows for compact storage when not in use, saving valuable space in a garage or storage area. Despite its premium features, the MaxxHaul 70108 Aluminum Cargo Carrier is competitively priced, offering excellent value for budget-conscious consumers. Whether you are a weekend warrior or a frequent traveler, this cargo carrier provides the extra storage space you need without breaking the bank. Next up at number 3, we have CURT 18153 60 by 24-inch Basket Hitch Cargo Carrier, the ultimate solution for expanding a vehicle's storage capacity. Crafted with heavy-duty steel construction and finished with a durable black powder coat, this cargo carrier is built with standardizers of the road while resisting rust and corrosion for long-lasting durability. The CURT 18153 cargo carrier features a spacious 60 by 24-inch platform, providing ample room for carrying luggage, camping gear, coolers, and more. Its open mesh design allows for easy cleaning and prevents debris buildup, while the integrated tie-down points offer added security for your cargo during transit. Designed for easy installation, this cargo carrier fits standard 2-inch receiver tubes and comes with a built-in hitch pin for quick and secure attachment to your vehicle. Plus, its angled shank provides additional ground clearance, minimizing the risk of bottoming out on uneven terrain. Despite its premium construction and features, the CURT 18153 60 by 24-inch Basket Hitch Cargo Carrier is competitively priced, offering excellent value for budget-conscious consumers. Whether you are embarking on a road trip, camping adventure, or tailgating event, this cargo carrier provides the extra storage space you need at an affordable price. The number 4 position is held by Tuff 62-inch Steel Cargo Carrier, your go-to solution for transporting bulky gear with ease. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, this cargo carrier boasts a robust construction capable of supporting up to 500 pounds of cargo. Its durable design ensures reliable performance trip after trip, making it a dependable choice for all your hauling needs. The Tuff Cargo Carrier features a spacious 62-inch platform, providing ample room for large items such as coolers, camping gear, and more. Its mesh design allows for easy cleaning and prevents debris buildup, while the raised side rails keep your cargo secure during transit. Designed for convenience, the cargo carrier is easy to assemble and install, fitting most 2-inch receivers with included hitch pen. Plus, its folding design allows for compact storage when not in use, saving space in your garage or storage area. Despite its heavy-duty construction and impressive capacity, the Tuff 62-inch Steel Cargo Carrier is affordably priced, offering exceptional value for budget-conscious consumers. Whether you are heading out on a camping trip, road adventure, or tailgating event, this cargo carrier provides the extra storage space you need at a reasonable price. The number 5 position is dominated by Ultra Tow Aluminum Hitch Cargo Carrier, your ultimate solution for expanding a vehicle's cargo capacity with ease. Crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum, this cargo carrier boasts a 500-pound weight capacity, providing ample room for all your gear while remaining corrosion-resistant for long-lasting performance. The Ultra Tow Cargo Carrier features a sleek silver finish, adding a touch of style to your vehicle while ensuring durability and effectiveness. Its spacious platform accommodates various items from camping gear to luggage, making it ideal for road trips, camping adventures, and more. Designed for convenience, this cargo carrier is easy to assemble and install, feeding most 2-inch hitch receivers with the included hitch pen. Plus, its folding design allows for compact storage when not in use, saving valuable space in a garage or storage area. Despite its premium features, the Ultra Tow aluminum Hitch Cargo Carrier is competitively priced, offering excellent value for budget-conscious consumers. Whether you are a weekend warrior or a frequent traveler, this cargo carrier provides the extra storage space you need without breaking the bank. Next up at number 6, we have the Guide Gear Small ATV UTV Utility Trailer, your ultimate companion for hauling heavy loads with ease. Crafted from rugged steel, this Hitch Cargo Carrier is built to withstand the toughest conditions, providing exceptional durability and reliability for all your towing needs. The Guide Gear Utility Trailer features a compact design that makes it perfect for hauling ATVs, UTVs, lawn equipment, and more. Its steady construction and reinforced sides ensure that your cargo stays secure during transit, while the folding tailgate allows for easy loading and unloading. Designed for convenience, this utility trailer comes with a built-in hitch that fits most 2-inch receivers, making it easy to attach to a vehicle. Plus, its lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability even in tight spaces. Despite its heavy-duty construction and impressive capacity, the Guide Gear Small ATV UTV Utility Trailer is affordably priced, offering exceptional value for budget-conscious consumers. Whether you are hauling gear for work or play, the utility trailer provides the extra storage space you need at a reasonable price. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have KAIZONPOT 60 by 20 by 6 inches Hitch Rack Cargo Carrier, your ultimate solution for expanding a vehicle's cargo capacity. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, this cargo carrier boasts a 500-pound weight capacity, providing ample room for all your gear while ensuring durability and reliability on the road. The KAIZONPOT Hitch Rack Cargo Carrier features a spacious platform measuring 60 by 20 by 6 inches, offering plenty of room for larger items such as coolers, camping gear, and more. Its steady construction and high side rails keep your cargo secure during transit, providing peace of mind for your journey. Designed for convenience, this cargo carrier is easy to assemble and install, feeding most 2-inch hitch receivers with included hitch pen. Plus, its folding design allows for compact storage when not in use, saving space in your garage or storage area. Despite its heavy-duty construction and impressive capacity, the KAIZONPOT Hitch Rack Cargo Carrier is competitively priced, offering excellent value for budget-conscious consumers. Whether you are heading out on a camping trip, road adventure, or tailgating event, this cargo carrier provides the extra storage space you need at an affordable price. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gear reviews and adventure tips. Let us know in the comments which Hitch Cargo Carrier caught your eye, and check out the links in the description to grab a favorite. Until next time, happy travels and safe hauling.